Hi my viewers, today I'm sharing really easy quick tip with you guys how you can make your DIY fly catcher. And this is pretty easy. I'm just using one ingredient, which is actually the juice syrup, and I'm using the red one because red is very catchy color. So this is you can see I actually catch a tons of flies, and this is actually pretty disgusting. That's why I hang a multiple in the garden, in the garage, where are the mostly mosquitoes are in. So this is the juice I'm using. It's actually a syrup. I'm using the red color syrup because the red is very catchy color. Insects like it, flies like it, and it's a very sugary. So basically sugar is the main ingredient. So if you like these kind of DIY videos, like, share and subscribe, and I'm gonna keep sharing the easy video with you guys so you can make your own DIYs, money saving tips. So just add a water, shake it up, and hang on your desirable place. It will act in a few days, so then it will fill off all the flies and pretty clean area. So I hope you like it, and keep watching. I'm gonna see you in my next one.